Hi friends, welcome to Zada Learning Hub. You are with me, Sadashara. Today's session we are going to learn how to connect with the database. In this video, I am going to discuss about getting started with MySQL Python connector. See guys, if you see in my previous videos, I discussed about how to use collections and how to create the class and how to um, do with object oriented programming and all those things. Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss about how to connect with the database by using the Python. Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss about connecting with MySQL by using the Python programming language. See, first of all, I'm going to discuss about MySQL Python connector. See here, if you want to connect with the database, definitely we need a bridge between Python script and the MySQL database. That bridge is MySQL Python connector. The MySQL Python connector, it is a library. It contains a classes and methods. These classes and methods, those are all used to connect with the MySQL database. Now, to access the MySQL database from the Python, you need a database driver. See here, the database driver is a mediator between MySQL and Python. MySQL connector Python is a standardized database driver provided by the MySQL. If you see, MySQL is given one driver to connect with the MySQL database by using the Python. MySQL Connector Python supports almost all features provided by MySQL version 5.7. It allows you to convert parameters values between a Python and the MySQL data types. For example, Python DATETIME and MySQL DATETIME. MySQL Connector Python is designed specific to MySQL. If you see, the MySQL Connector Python is only designed specific to the MySQL. It supports all MySQL extensions to a standard SQL such as limit class. MySQL Connector Python allows you to compress the data stream between a Python and the MySQL database server using the protocol compression. It supports the connection using TCP/IP socket and a secured TCP/IP connection using the SSL socket, secured socket layer. If you see, MySQL connection connector Python allows you to compress the data stream between a Python and the MySQL database server using the protocol compression. It supports the connector using TCP/IP socket and secured TCP/IP connector using the SSL. MySQL Connector Python is an API implemented using the pure Python. If you want to connect with the MySQL Python is a connector. It is a bridge between a MySQL and the MySQL database and the Python. That library is implemented purely in the Python. It means that you don't need to install any MySQL client library or any Python modules except the standard library. We will cover this MySQL Connector Python 2.0, which supports the Python version 2.6 and 2.7 and 3.3 onwards. Now, if you want to download the MySQL connector to work with the MySQL Python connector, you need to download and install it into your local system. See here, if you want to download the MySQL connector, if you want to use the MySQL connector, if you want to connect with the database, definitely we need to download and install into your local machine. The distribution is available in the various platforms such as Mac OS, Microsoft Windows, Unix, Linux. You need to select the right platform and download. Now, how to install the MySQL Python connector? Installing the MySQL Python connector is a straightforward. For example, To install in the Windows environment, you need to do some steps. We need to unpack the downloaded file into the temporary directory and start the console window and switch to the folder where you unpack the connector. After that, go to inside the C colon temp folder. We need to run the some steps. It automatically verifies the MySQL connector Python. After the installing the MySQL Python connector, you need to test it to make sure that is working correctly. You are able to connect to MySQL database server without any issues. To verify the installation, you need to use some of these steps. First, you need to open the Python command line, and we need to type. I will show you how to connecting with a database or not. See here, guys. If you want MySQL Python connector, it is a bridge between a MySQL database and the Python. It is a pure Python API. It is implemented in a pure Python API. It is going to support the connection using TCP IP socket and secure TCP IP connection using the SSL, secure socket layer. That MySQL Python connector, it is available for all operating systems. We need to download and install it into our local machine. After that, we need to open that command prompt, and we need to check it, is that executed properly, is that installed properly or not. We can check it that. Now I'm going to explain how it is. For example, see, I'm going to explain it in Ubuntu system. In the Ubuntu system, I installed MySQL connector. Now I'm going to create one script for that. Now this is my SQL connector. I'm going to create. I'm checking MySQL connector is installed into my system or not by writing the program. Now import MySQL dot connector, MySQL dot connector dot connect of host is equal to localhost database is equal to MySQL user is equal to root password is equal to root. Now I'm creating simple like this. This is what I'm created. Now I'm going to check, is this connected successfully or not. Now I'm closing, saving this one. Home, Python script, MySQL example, Python, MySQL connection test dot py. Now I try to run this one by using my command prompt. First I'm going to connect with MySQL. MySQL -u root -p root. Now I connected with MySQL. I'm checking show databases. I'm going to connect with my data MySQL database CONNECT connect MySQL. Now I'm connected with MySQL database. Use MySQL. Now done, database is changed. Now here the script, everything is correct. This is the localhost and database in MySQL and username and password is everything done. Everything success. Print connection is successful. Now done. Now I am going to this path, new tab, cd slash clear, cd slash cd home, cdisplay slash cdisplays home, cd space sada, cd space python scripts, cd space mysql example. Now python, I'm going to check the test is executing or not. What's the name of that one? Python MySQL test. Now see, connection is successful. Means uh, after installing a MySQL connector into your system, we need to check is it installed successfully or not by using the script. Just first, what I'm doing is I'm importing. After that, I'm doing MySQL dot connector dot connect off. I'm connecting with MySQL. After connecting with MySQL, it is successful connection. I'm doing successful connection is successful. Now I'm connected to MySQL is successfully. If you see this one, MySQL connected successfully. I'm doing clear. I will show you clear. See here, connection is successful. This is the way to install MySQL connector into the system. If you are using Ubuntu, directly we can use install the MySQL by using the pipe or directly by using the Python. Or if you are using the Windows, we can directly download it from MySQL official website and get it downloaded. And after that, install it. It will be automatically installed into the system. After installation, just write the script and check it if it is successful. Now the Python is successfully communicating with the database. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Sada Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.